Look, I get it. You want your hair to look thicker. You want it to look luscious. But as you start growing, you start asking yourself, yo, why is my hair not growing? Why is it not growing with my age? Matter of fact, it's going backwards. And on top of that, it's probably looking thin. And the reasons, well, the reasons we're going to discuss in today's video. Let's hop into it. Number one, you're not getting regular haircuts. I know, sounds counterintuitive, but yes, getting regular haircuts actually make your hair grow faster and thicker. Let me explain. As you're growing, even if you're growing out your hair long, what ends up happening is that the ends of your hair, which are the oldest parts, have the most damage. These are the ends that have the split ends and are starting to fray, etc. If you don't cut those split ends, they're going to end up traveling all the way up the hair strand, damaging the entire hair strand, and this is why your hair is split in half and it's looking thin and wiry. You need to be going to the barbershop, getting those regular trim ups, removing the tips. This is overall going to protect your hair to ensure it can keep growing and look thicker and fuller. Number two, genetics. Blame your mom, blame your dad, and then blame your grandparents. It's their fault. Look, if your hair's not growing or actually receding, or it's not as thick as you want, it's most likely genetics, and it sucks, but here's the thing. You can actually do something about it. Most people think, oh, well, if my dad's bald and my mom's balding, I'm going to be bald too. No, as soon as you notice that your hair's not growing and there's actually signs of receding hair or hair loss or hair getting thinner, that's when you have to take action. See, for example, our sponsor Keeps is revolutionizing how men take action. Before, you had to go to the doctor, make an appointment, sit in a doctor's office, have this conversation, then go pick up medication if they prescribe you medication, which is why most men thought, you know what, I'd rather just go bald than have to go through all that. And I feel you. Yo, Keeps feels you too, and they're making it easier. Now, when you take action, you can take action like now. Like right now, like you could go to keeps.com/TMF. You can go through a whole consultation where you're going to speak to a licensed U.S. physician. They're going to look at your profile, see what you're dealing with, and then they're going to prescribe the medication that you need right through the computer. And then it gets delivered right to your door. You don't have to go to the pharmacy. The great part is that they're going to prescribe you the only two generic FDA-approved medications that have been proven to stop hair loss and in some cases even regrow some of that lost hair. And they're gonna do it at the lowest price possible. There's a reason why Keeps has more 5-star reviews than any of their competitors. Just check them out. Like click that link down below and go see some of their reviews. The before and after and their customers, it's insane. You start using this product, you can actually keep the hair that you're losing and in some cases regrow it. And the earlier you start, the better. See, this is the problem most men don't understand. 2 in 3 men are going to experience some form of hair loss before they reach 35, which means it's not that far out. As soon as you start noticing even a little bit of hair loss, this is when you start to take action, because the earlier you start, the more of it you can keep, so you can keep that full head of hair. If you boys want to check out Keeps, it'll be linked down below. Number 3, you're just not eating right. One of the most important factors of hair weakening or thinning is being deficient in certain key nutrients. Iron, protein, biotin, zinc. These are vitamins and minerals that are important and crucial for the strength and growth of your hair. This is why having a balanced diet is so important for every aspect of your health. And if you know you're not getting all those nutrients from your diet, start taking a multivitamin. Number 4, it's stress. Stress of any kind, whether physical or emotional, can weaken the state of your hair. It can lead to premature graying and reducing the thickness of individual hair strands. Number 5, pulling your hair. See, what you don't understand is that there is something called traction alopecia, and we pull our hair several ways, whether it's you playing with your hair and constantly tugging and pulling on it, whether it's you wearing a baseball cap really tight and really adding traction here, whether maybe you have long hair and you put it in a man bun, or you sleep on really rough pillows, or when you come out the shower, you use a really rough rug and go really hard on your hair. All these things are you pulling on your hair. This is why you need to treat your hair with care. So not only do you stop pulling it, but you also stop causing split ends and other damage that can weaken the state of your hair. And finally, number 6, you're just using too much heat. Overuse of blow dryers or chemical relaxers or perms, These are all things that do one thing. They change the chemical structure of your hair by using heat or chemicals that could destroy your hair in the long run. These products end up altering the composition of your hair to give you a new desired result, which you're going after. But what you don't realize is that in the long run, you could be ultimately drying and frying your hair. Using these here and there, it's not too bad, but if you use these consistently, you're gonna be damaging your hair, and it's gonna get to a point that it's gonna get thin and it won't grow like it used to. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Keeps. They're gonna be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next.